Hello everyone, let's discuss about prostacyclins and thromboxanes. Prostacyclins and thromboxanes, these are produced from cyclic endoperoxide PGH2. Produced from PGH2. The cyclic endoperoxide first formed in prostaglandin synthesis is PGG2. This PGG2 is converted to PGH2. So PGH2 is the precursor of this prostaglandins, prostacyclins and thromboxanes. PGG2 and PGH2, they have a very short half-life, but they are biologically very active. They have effect on contraction of GI smooth muscles, bronchial muscles and umbilical cord vessels. Coming to the synthesis of these prostacyclins and thromboxanes, from arachidonic acid, by cyclooxygenase, first PGG2 is formed. Then by peroxidase, PGH2 is formed. Then by the action of the enzyme thromboxane synthase, thromboxanes are formed. By the action of prostacyclin synthase, prostacyclins are formed. This is the synthesis of these prostacyclins and thromboxanes from arachidonic acid, PGG2, then PGH2. This PGG2 and PGH2 are cyclic endoperoxide. They have short half-life. This PGH2 is the precursor of this thromboxanes PGI2, that is prostacyclins and prostaglandins. So by the action of the enzyme thromboxane synthase, thromboxanes are formed. By the action of prostaglandin synthase, prostacyclin synthase, these prostacyclins are formed. So let's see the difference between these prostacyclins and thromboxanes. Prostacyclins, thromboxanes. These prostacyclins are formed in vascular endothelium, mainly in vascular endothelium, then in heart and kidneys. In the case of these thromboxanes, these are formed in platelets, then neutrophils, then comes lungs, brain, kidney. Lungs, brain, kidney and in spleens. This prostacyclins increases cyclic AMP level in the target cell. It increases cyclic AMP level. Here in the case of this thromboxane, it decreases cyclic AMP level. Coming to the functions of these prostacyclins, it inhibits platelet aggregation. Platelet aggregation. Here in the case of thromboxanes, they enhances platelet aggregation. Then here it inhibits gastric secretion. It inhibits gastric secretion. Then it produces vasodilatation. Vasodilatation. Here it is vasoconstriction. Then here in the case of these prostacyclins, they produces renal vasodilatation and increases glomerular filtration rate. They also increases the renin production. Then they relaxes smooth muscles. Relaxes smooth muscles. Coming to thromboxanes, they produces contraction of smooth muscles. Here relaxes smooth muscles. Here it is contraction of smooth muscles. Then this thromboxane induces release of serotonin, calcium ions and ADH. They induces the release of serotonin, calcium and ADP. Then this, coming to the inhibitors of this prostacyclins and the thromboxanes, here aging, then hyperlipemia, Then comes vitamin E deficiency, Then exposure to ionizing radiations. These are the inhibitors of PGI2. Coming to the inhibitors of thromboxanes, this thromboxane synthase enzyme is inhibited by thromboxane synthase enzyme. It is inhibited by imidazoles and dipyridamole. These are the inhibitors of both prostacyclins and thromboxane. So this is about prostacyclins and thromboxanes. Thank you for watching.